Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to create views, materialized views, and secure views. So go ahead and open up the file views materialized views.sql. Now you can get it from the resource section or from my GitHub repo. So copy everything inside of it. I've opened up a new worksheet in Snowflake and I'm going to paste them here. I will go over it one at a time. First, I'm switching my role to sysadmin. Next, I'm using the warehouse prod_xl. It's of size extra large. Now you might not have this warehouse, but feel free to change the name or create a new one. It does not have to be of size extra large. You can create a medium, small, or even a large one, whichever works. Next, I'm putting the database in schema and context. So let me just copy all of them and execute them. Now in the next statement, I'm creating a simple view, which is of non-materialized type. It says create or replace view, and there goes the name. The name is urgent priority orders as select star from my orders table, which is in the schema e-commerce live under the database e-commerce_db, and I'm only filtering for urgent orders. Okay, so let's run this. Now let's quickly check if the view looks good. Everything's fine. Next, I'm creating a materialized view. Note the keyword materialized. It says create or replace materialized view, and you give it a name as, and then you have an aggregation SQL statement inside of it. Now, as we've seen in the last video, materialized views persist the data on your disk, right? So most of the times you will create a materialized view only if it's going to contain aggregated or transformed data. The reason why I say this is because you do not want to end up creating a materialized view which is a result of select star from table. If you want to persist data in two different places, it does not make a lot of sense. You might as well query the actual table, right? So just keep that in mind. Another limitation of a materialized view is that you cannot have joins in your materialized view. So if you wanted to join the orders table with the line item table, let's say, and perform some aggregations, that's not possible. You have to create a normal view, or you might have to write the results into a table, in which case. So materialized views can only involve one table. So I'm going to go ahead and run this aggregation query. I'm just selecting a count of orders and I'm grouping them by the order status and the date. And the filter condition is the same. I'm only filtering on urgent orders. That's it. So the view has been created. Let's do a select star from view aggregated orders. So everything looks good. Now let's say you want to create a new role and you're creating this role because there is a new person in your team and you want this person to have access to a view, but you want to make sure at the same time that this person does not get access to the underlying table, which involves a whole bunch of columns. Okay, so what would you do in that case? That's when you create a secure materialized view or a secure view, which is what I've done here. I think I missed the keyword secure. So this is how you create a secure materialized view and grant access for this view to a specific role, and then you grant that role to an account, which is a user account. All right. So in this video, I'm going to just leave it at this. I'm going to create the secure materialized view. And in the next video, we'll be creating a role and actually testing how the security behind this view works. So let me go ahead and run this first. So the secure materialized view has been created. Let's quickly do a select star from table. So you can see the view has been created. Now you can also cluster your views, be it materialized, non-materialized, secure, non-secure. So all of your views can be clustered. Now I know we haven't visited the clustering concept. This will be explained in detail in the next section, but for now just keep in mind that you can actually cluster your materialized view, and the syntax is straightforward. Alter materialized view, the name of the view, and cluster by any column that you wish. In this case, I've clustered by order date. So let's go ahead and run this. So you can see the view has been clustered. Now let's open up the database, e-commerce DB, click on e-commerce_live. Now you'll see the three views that we've created. The first one is a simple view, urgent priority orders. The second one was the materialized view. Notice the M against the name. And finally, we created a secure materialized view. So you see the M and the lock as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we'll be creating a new role and testing out the security of our materialized view. So I'll see you guys there.